To my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a Ajio footwear haul. I have ordered a few footwears. These are very affordable. If you want to purchase, I'll provide you the links in description box. So let's start. First footwear which I had ordered is this one. It comes in this kind of packaging, written Ajio over here, and they pack their product in plastic bag. In this kind of cardboard packaging I received, you can see. So let me tell you, actually I had opened it because I had to see the quality of the product. So this is my first footwear. This is from the brand high altitude. If you can see here, so this is from the brand. It's also written over here, and the sizes, and the price was 499. I got it for 125, approximately 124.7 something. I paid for these footwear, these sandals, and these are very convenient, very soft, very comfortable to wear. I mean, if Ajio is giving you footwear in 124 or 125 rupees, what's bad in that? You can also a little bit compromise with the quality also, but the quality is very good. Okay, so this kind of sole थोड़ा सा dirty है because I had tried them. तो ये यहाँ पे इनको इन्होंने प्लास्टिक का कुछ स्पॉट दिया है. You can see black. You can wear these in summers. After 2 months summer will start, so I invested in these kind of slip sandals. What else written over it? The size is 25.4 centimeter, color black. That's all about these footwears. So let's move on to the second. Actually I ordered 3, 4, 5, then I got all of them in this huge box. You can see it's very big. In this they have packed all other footwears. Let me show you. So the second one, is like this. It's again in black color and from the same brand, same size. First I had ordered these in 4 size because 5 size out of stock tha. That was not available that time, so I ordered in 4 and I got them exchanged. You can see this is leather kind of material, and I also tried them. They are also very soft and comfortable. The price is again 499. And I got this for the same price. I will mention the price of all the product on the screen, you can check. And so this is my second footwear. Third came in this kind of packaging. It's very good, nice packaging. I mean, for 124 rupees product they are giving this kind of packaging. That's very good. I'll show you. This is my third footwear. This is again in the range of 124, 125. Actually I have paid 124, so it's not sure ki you will get the same price because I purchased them in the sale. The prices on these kind of website fluctuate very often, so you have to check it. I'm telling you the price so that you can get the idea how cheaper you can get them. Again the price is 499. सेम ब्रांड, हाई ऑल्टीट्यूड, सेम साइज 5. ये ग्लिटर पार्ट है. दिस इज़ अ ग्लिटरी पार्ट. इट्स very comfortable. It's more comfortable than these other 2 footwear which I have showed you. These are so comfortable. You can wear it in your daily routine. If you want to go to market, you can also wear it. You can carry them easily. Very comfortable. I'm very happy with this purchase. It's very casual kind of footwear you can wear in daily uses. Next, again I got in this kind of packaging. Again a similar footwear, same brand. Actually I ordered from the same brand, so I could apply the coupon code. I applied the coupon code and got all more discount. Ajio provide you a lot of coupon codes. You can select your articles and you can apply them. You can check their website. Actually 90% of were going on their website. This is again in the range of 499, and I have paid same for these footwear also. These are in 4. Actually 5 is out of stock, so I'm waiting for whenever size 5 will come in stock, I'll exchange them. So these are in this color, maroon color, very nice. Again it has plastic covering here, so I think these are very nice. See, if you can see, stitching is all over. They have done stitching, which is very good part, and these are very comfortable. If I'm pressing here, see, and the last footwear I had order was this is very beautiful heels. These are from MFT Coacher by My Foot. So it comes in this kind of packaging, very nice packaging I have received. They have sent me this in this kind of dust bag or carry bag, you can say. This is kind of a carry bag material which we used for shopping and all. So here it is. Okay, let me show you another one also. So these are the heels which I have ordered. I hope you could see. See, so these are the transparent heels which are in trend now, and they were on MRP 1699. You can see here they were on the, and I have paid around 650 or 700 for these. I'll mention the price on screen. And it comes with the foot spot, this padded kind of spot, and stitching is done with thread. Okay, you can see the stitching here. So the quality is very good. It's a little dirty because I have worn them. Color is beige, new kind of color, which are very trendy these days. I will provide all the links in description box. If you like this video, please support my channel. Everybody needs your support. We are initially trying very hard for you guys, so please, I expect some support from you. So I hope you will subscribe my channel and stay connected for the improved version of me. And okay, till then, bye bye, take care.